Greetings from Red River Wellness. My name is Nayelyth Pfeifer, and I'm going to show you this morning something very simple. Is the use of lemon. Lemons are really good for your blood. It cleans your liver, cleans your colon. Even though they are coming from the citrus family, they actually become alkaline when they are introduced to the body. So it's very simple. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just cut the lemon, and then we're going to juice them. Just juice them really good. Get all the goodies out of that lemon. You can use one lemon, half a lemon for you. Put it here in the jar. And we're gonna use some warm water. We're gonna use cold water about halfway. And then we're gonna use hot water to make it kind of warm. Doesn't have to be like hot, but at least warm water. So this lemon water is really good. In the morning, as soon as you get up, you can just make your fresh lemon juice and just your lemon water. You see how simple it is? It doesn't take even a minute for you to get it ready. And then you drink it. In the morning when you get up, your body is kind of semi-dehydrated because, you spend the whole night, hopefully at least 8 hours in the evening, sleeping. So in the morning when you get up, you just come to the kitchen, get your lemons ready, get your water boiling, get your filtered water, and you drink your water in the morning as soon as you get up. The body temperature is kind of warm. That's why we recommend for you to have the water warm instead of cold. Because when you drink the water cold, the body has to warm it up. So you don't want that. You don't want to give more work to the body. You want the water to be, the temperature of the water to be similar to the one of your body. So you just drink your water. It's really good. You don't have to drink it really fast either. You can just drink it and enjoy it. And the recommendation would be at least 1 quart of water before breakfast. And if you do that, you won't be thirsty, because normally we are thirsty when we're eating because we are not hydrated in between meals. But if you drink your water before, little by little, enjoying it, by breakfast time you won't be thirsty. And the idea is for you to drink the water, finish your water at least half an hour before you eat your breakfast. So this is a tip for today. Remember, hydration in the morning, warm water, and at the same time use the lemon, because the lemon helps you a lot to detoxify. So have a great day.